Well, I'm calling this painting finished. I've intensified my colors in various areas. That's something I usually leave till the end of a painting. That's part of something I would call step 6. It's sort of, once you've got the painting painted, then kind of live with it for a bit and have another look at it then. And if there's something else you see that you want to do, then I just jump in and do it. And I hate to touch the painting unless I know for sure that I'm going to improve it, because if you wander around with a knife or a brush on your painting not being really too sure and trying various things, you're likely to end up with a pretty weak painting. I'd rather avoid that. I'd rather make it look as though the decisions and the strokes that I've made were very deliberate. Okay, let's see, I get the whole thing in here. Bit of a close-up on some of the wavelets in the water. So you can see that even though the water kind of looks fairly blended, it maintains a bit of a rich quality, richness in color, because of all these little areas, little changes in hue and in value. Okay, I think I've rambled on enough about this painting. On to the next one. Sorry about the red couch in the foreground. That's a bit funky. All right, see you.